Hey guys, welcome. It's your girl Juliet bringing you a DIY for your living room or any room you enjoy having pillows in. So y'all remember my boring and flat throw pillows from Ikea? I've revamped two and I have two more to fix. Okay, so if you missed my previous DIYs and you're interested, check out these two videos where I revamped my other two pillows and turned them into unique pieces. Going back to this video, I first started out by taking measurements and marking out the center of my pillow in order to make circles using bowls I got from my kitchen. As a side note, if you're a DIYer, it might be best to invest in an artistic protractor of some sort. If that's even something that exists out there, I don't know, but that would have come in handy right about now. So I made all of these marks and outlines on the inside of my pillow. However, it made it less efficient as I couldn't readily see my stitching on the front of my cover, so I had to keep flipping back and forth. I used a needle with a large eye and threaded it with a medium-sized yarn. For my inner circle, I made a combination of X's and knot stitchings, and for the outside circle, I just made short dashes. I'm just going to speed this part up for you. So I went ahead and completed a lot of this off camera just to save some time so that you're not sitting there just going through a whole reeling of fast forwarded footage. But this is what I ended up doing. Don't do this, guys. So as you remember, I actually did all the stenciling on the inside of my pillow. I marked out where I wanted the circle or where I wanted my shape to go, and I did that on the inside, but I actually should have done that on the outside because what I ended up doing is I used the marker on the inside to go over the shape that I wanted to create, and it came through on the other side, guys. So this is what happened. Don't do this, okay? Oh, you're gonna have to move. I know. So I just wanted to show you guys, I showed you how I did the middle part, how I started that. I just wanted to show you how I completed this part. So I left a little bit on the end so you can see. Okay, so just start off on the inside over here, but as close to where I ended off the other time. So put that through, pull it through, and then not too far after, go in. Into it. There you have it. Then go back on the inside, very close again to where you left off. it over. Make sure it all comes out. And then there. Pull it through. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off the rest right quick. Just knot it off when you're done, and cut it off, and there you have it. Just stretch it out a little bit so that it's not bunched up. For the middle part, try to make sure that it's stretched out as well too when you're doing that part. So here I've pre-made some pom-poms, not quite tassels like I did the other time, but these are pom-poms. Made 3, and I'm about to show you how I make the last one. So you're gonna need to have a lot of this unraveled. I mean, depending on the size of pom-pom that you want as well, it's going to matter. It's just gonna make it faster when you're ready to wrap it around your hand or whatever object you're going to use to make the size of pom-pom that you like. This should be enough. Okay, there it is. So I'm using my hand. Okay, which is quite ashy right now, but doesn't matter. We're gonna wrap this around my hand 50 times. That's how many times I wrapped it around for the other ones. So here we go. And there you have it, a pom-pom. This part of the video shows how I attach the pom-poms. Then I attach the other 3 off camera. So here is how my pillow cover looks now. Kind of cute, huh? I refilled my cover with pillow stuffing off camera. And finally, here is the finished look. I'm loving this pillow. It's such a big difference from what it used to be. It's cute and unique. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So 3 down, 1 more to go. We're almost there, guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do before the video ends. One more thing, guys, I have a channel dedicated IG page now, so if you'd like to head on over there, follow me at Julie_J_Jules to get some sneak peeks and just to see what what I'm dealing with at any particular time. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.